I've been pretty depressed since I damaged my keyboard. I've lost all control, and I just feel like there's no escape. It's time for an upgrade, and today we're looking at the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL gaming keyboard. This is Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can win this product. If you're anything like me, some sounds drive me absolutely nuts. People chewing loudly, pen clickers, and loud typers. If you're the guy in the office with a noisy old school keyboard, you may as well be eating a Limburger tuna melt at your desk.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
Are you?
Absolutely.
Don't be that guy. Specs and features. The Huntsman V2 TKL has been built with a whisper-quiet gaming experience in mind. A layer of sound-dampening foam makes sure you're not heard clicking throughout the house. Razer utilizes second-gen linear optical switches for the fastest response time in a commercial keyboard in the world. They're able to manage 8,000 Hz polling rate for lower input latency. The keys themselves are double-shot PBT keycaps, much more durable than standard keys. They're also designed for the lettering not to rub off after a year or two of use. The Huntsman V2 also comes with onboard macro storage, so you can record all your favorite button combinations at the tap of a key. The keys and frame are backlit with RGB LEDs, and the whole lighting system is compatible with Chroma to sync your entire setup. Lastly, and probably most importantly, is the ergonomic wrist rest to save you from premature arthritis. So, what do we like about the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL gaming keyboard? First up, you can't go past just how cool this keyboard looks all lit up in a darkened room. You instantly feel like a pro gamer. Until you start playing, that is. Secondly, you can hammer away at the keys as hard as you like, and you can hardly hear a thing. So, what's the downside? The recordable macros didn't work in all games, and in some games, it can get you banned. There's also been a few people reporting that the keys can get stuck and repeat forever until the keyboard is unplugged. So, what are other people saying about the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL gaming keyboard? Brian Dickerson writes, "The title says it all. I have and do own several mechanical keyboards, and without a doubt, this is my favorite. The clicks are satisfying, and typing on this thing is as smooth as butter." A one-star reviewer, Joshua D. Green, wrote, "I've had the keyboard 3 months now. The flaw is that a keystroke can get stuck on repeat, making it impossible to play games or edit spreadsheets for work. From my online sleuthing, it sounds like a USB polling issue." So, what's the verdict? 8,000 Hz, improved sound dampening, and detachable USB-C. We give the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL keyboard 4 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for a more in-depth review, Random Frank P does a great in-depth review of this keyboard. You can check out his review in the link above on the right. And the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL keyboard could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL keyboard, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's all you got to do. If you missed the secret hashtag the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.